Sir.
And second, you have said that we should hold the project competition at the national level.
Sir, we have National Science Day that falls on February 20th. So that will be for first year students. So out of, we will give certain things like competitions like poster making and then XYZ. So we will select the best. So that particular group we will directly induct into R&D, and then we can just make them grow to a particular level where they can go ahead. So this is with the National Science Day. The same thing, we have Technological Day on the second quarter, that is on the May 11th. And then likewise we have on the third quadrant Abdul Kalam birth anniversary. On the fourth quadrant we have Madam Curie birth anniversary. So likewise we have to conduct certain events.
Decide that this different thing.
I have seen students are loitering here and there. All dustbins are just like anything. It looks very awkward when people come from outside also. So why can't they go and club for those problem statements? Let them come up with their recent inventions in terms of their thinking, how they think it. And as all seniors are sitting over here, they can refine all those problems, analysis what students are giving us as a solution, and why don't they go for those problems actually implemented on our campus first. This is first aspect. Let us say a first year student can be involved in making small models, maybe a prototype models, maybe within a fraction of, let us say, this covered area itself. Why they can't make it a smart dustbin? Let that be connected to a CSC, students also be involved in it. Let this be connected to a cloud. If anybody is being seen spitting over there, let it give an alarm, let it give a message. So it's students, when they see something, it becomes better. Approach will be better. All these things we are celebrating, every college is celebrating all these science activities and all. But real implementation is only the showcase which is going to project our brand outside.
How we are going to motivate them? We are going to become the brand leader for our student. Our student will look in our personality. Teachers, they are expecting what my teacher is doing. Like my teacher has given message to what is the role model of our student. Their dresses, their behavior, their teaching, their innovation. So they are looking to you, to what my teacher is doing. If we will become the role model for our student, innovation by default will come.
We have to continuously interact with the industry. Institute as well as industry interactions should be there, so that we can get the idea from there, and we are in touch with the industries. So these are some points I would like to focus on.
First of all, we have to change the thought process. The way we are conducting our academic process, that need to be changed. It's a totally my personal opinion.
Very true.
And what I want, a student must be join the department from the first day only. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक साल बच्चे को कहीं दे देने से एक साल बच्चे का लॉस हो रहा है। 4 साल में से 3 साल बच्चा मेरे पास मिलता है, और दूसरे साल भी जब आता है तब भी वो 6 महीने उसके ऊपर वही प्रभाव होता है जो फर्स्ट ईयर का प्रभाव उसके ऊपर होता है। तो हमें सबसे पहले थॉट प्रोसेस को चेंज करना पड़ेगा। We are looking for the quality, we are trying to copy the higher institution, so we have to maintain ourselves accordingly.
Arrangement so that we can do the internship for our student in our campus, then we can enhance the innovation or whatever we want. So that is the good way. If we can make a proper arrangement to do our student in our campus internship, because every year they will do. Earlier it was in only 3rd year, it is compulsory to do the internship. Now from last 2 years, they have started from 1st year. Every year student will do the internship and make a report, and he will present in next sem.
सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है, यानी आइडिया सबमिशन करवाएंगे वो, जैसे कि ना फर्स्ट स्टेप यही है कि हो सकता है पूरी क्लास का सबमिट करें, 10 ही सबमिट करें उसमें से, तो बस वो 10 ही हमारे होंगे जो कि कुछ इनोवेशन करने की कैपेबिलिटी या पोटेंशियल रखते होंगे उस चीज़ को ले करके। तो खाली उनको प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट दें, जस्ट लेट देम जस्ट आस्क टू सबमिट ए आइडिया और द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर, जो भी उनकी थिंकिंग है कितना कर पाए वो। और मोटिवेशन आपका वही टाइम टू टाइम मोटिवेशन करके उनको थोड़ा सा, और जैसे हम लोग ने प्लान भी कर रखा है कि R&D लैब विजिट करवा के, क्योंकि सारे तो कभी भी हम सोच ही नहीं सकते, 10-5 जो भी होंगे उसमें से लगता है उसमें पोटेंशियल है, कर पाएंगे, तो उनको और मोटिवेट करके फर्दर जो है आगे करवाएंगे.
We also promote innovation. That basic message should be given to the students right from the first day, which is missing as of now. Number one. Plus to the incentives. If he does something, what will be the incentive given to him? But it should be known to them right from the first day. Other things are, sir, problems or issues from the industry. We need to do some survey and get some of the basic issues which they are facing, and then we can look for the solution. For example, in finance, so many new things are coming. I will just take one example of crowdfunding. So crowdfunding is a very new thing. So how to innovate, how to do crowdfunding in a different way. That can be given a problem, and solution can be.
Project that is research project report. So we can incorporate that. Actually, students are generally going into the market, buying the projects and so on. We can finalize or we can shortlist. There are few students who are intellectual students who can actually do research project report and submit the report. That will be value addition to the students as well as to the college also. And plus, sir, in the first semester and second semester, we are having a subject called research methods. In research methods, we have to train the students to write a research paper. So that practice is continuously being done. First semester, we are training them how to write a research paper. In second semester, they will be motivated to write research paper of their own, association with faculty. So that is all. That's my submission.
If I talk about engineering course, because I am from engineering, okay. So engineering, if we talk about innovation, then it depends upon the knowledge of core concepts and how proficient, how efficient our students are in the practical aspects. So this is one thing for which we need incubation centers where the basic level training should be provided to the students. Nobody can think about innovative ideas unless he possesses the basic core concepts, unless he has command over the core concepts.
It might be a case where we can solve out our problem and we can involve our student and we can develop the system. Although, as these many things were missing by last so many time into the campus, now all of these things are available.
My submission is to you also here. These suggestions are very good. The only thing how to start first motivation. जब तक motivation नहीं आएगा और हमें सबका नहीं करना, हमें जो लोग motivated हैं पहले उनको और उन्हीं को motivate दे करके आप लोग बच्चे आएंगे.
कुछ रिक्वेस्ट है. सबसे पहले तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स की जितनी भी लैब्स हैं उनमें किट्स खरीदना बंद कर दी जाए. स्टूडेंट खुद अपने आप सर्किट असेंबल करे, हुकअप करे, कोडिंग करे, प्रोग्राम करे. उसके लिए हो सकता है कि मेरे अपने कलीग्स जो वहाँ टीचर्स हैं उनको बहुत मेहनत पड़ेगी. पूरे सेमेस्टर में एक ही एक्सपेरिमेंट करें, बट ही विल लर्न ए लॉट. आज मेरे कितने स्टूडेंट्स ट्रांस रिसीवर बनाना जानते हैं. बी ऑनेस्ट, पढ़ लेते हैं, लाठी किताब का पूरा रट्टा लगा लिया, पास भी हो जाते हैं. बट एएम रिसीवर सुपर हेटेरोडाइन बना सकते हैं क्या? सिंपल रेडियो, क्या एफएम रेडियो बना सकते हैं? अगर वो नहीं कर सकते, फॉरगेट अबाउट इनोवेशन एंड R&D. ये तो कन्वेंशनल चीजें हैं जो कि मार्केट में मिलती हैं. क्या मैं बना सकता हूं? अभी एक इशू है जो कि हम सब फेस करते हैं, जैमर लग जाता है. हम में से कोई भी फोन नहीं कर पाता. क्या हमारे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और CSIT के लोगों ने सोचा कि सिग्नल की स्ट्रेंथ को बूस्टअप करने के लिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं? दैट इज अ रियल इशू व्हिच वी आर फेसिंग इन आवर कैंपस.